Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. So today I am going to share with you my way of studying polity and how I make notes of it. Different people have their own way of studying a subject. This approach works well for me, but it might differ from your way of studying. So starting with the video, the first and the most important step is to analyze the syllabus and the previous year questions of the subject you are going to study. Now, after reading the syllabus, I will go through the previous year questions of polity. This is to understand the nature of the questions and the topics which are being asked by the UPSC over the time. This will help me to analyze which topics I have to pay more attention to while making the notes. It will take quite some time to go through all the questions, but the process is worth it as it will give you useful insights on what to study and what not to study for this exam. Then I read the Polity NCERT of class 11, Indian Constitution at Work. I do not prefer to make notes out of the NCERT in the first reading. I just underline the important concepts in the book itself. Since NCERTs are the foundation books, they will help in clearing your concepts before you jump into the huge well of polity. After having a basic knowledge of the chapter, I watch the lectures of that topic from an academy as I have an academy subscription. By the way guys, this is not a sponsored video. I make running notes while watching the lectures. These are the running notes I made. Then comes the most important step of making short notes or mind maps. After watching the lecture, I read that chapter from Lakshmikant while referring to the Bare Act side by side. I read Bare Act because, as you may have also noticed, that there are some mistakes in Lakshmikant book, and Bare Act is the official document of Government of India. It is an authentic source. I refer to it for the actual statement of the Constitution of India. I try to compile the whole chapter on a single page for quick revision later on. I initially make the notes on my tablet and then take a printout of them later because I find it easier to zoom and write comfortably on the tablet than to write in shorthand writing on the piece of paper. When I am done making the notes of a topic, I try to attempt questions from that topic to understand the effectiveness of my notes and also to analyze if I am well prepared with that topic or not. Before attempting the questions, I revise my short notes of that particular topic and then I attempt the questions. Then I try to attempt the questions from the topic. Here I am attempting the questions from the Lakshmikant objective book. The answer key. My objective while taking the tests or attempting quizzes is to score 85% or above. While attempting a test series, you should aim for an accuracy of 85% or above, and if you are getting it, that means you are on the right track. Then I analyze the questions which I have got wrong. Also, I add on the concepts which I find important in my notes. And then take the printout of my final notes. These are my final short notes. And these are the notes I made previously by hand. This is how I complete a topic thoroughly. Then I start the next topic in the same way. But while studying further topics, it is important to make sure that you do not forget the topics you studied earlier. So I regularly keep attempting quizzes from those topics. Since this is UPSC guys, there is nothing like this particular book is enough for this exam. There is nothing enough. So you have to constantly keep updating and upgrading your notes from various sources like newspapers, current affairs, quizzes, test series, or some websites. This is how you cover a topic thoroughly. You have to follow multi-dimensional approach for the exam. You cannot just rely on one book or source. And do remember, revision is the key. That is all for this video guys. See you all in the next vlog. Thank you. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to like and subscribe, and please leave your valuable comments down below. Bye bye.